morning everybody. This is Simab ma'am. I am going to start 23rd chapter of your civics portion. Chapter's name is Discrimination, Prejudice and Inequality. Let me tell you about prejudice first. What is prejudice? Prejudice is a negative opinion about somebody without knowing the fact. The consequences of prejudice can result in unfair behavior towards others. It limits our thinking. It causes disharmony. We can overcome prejudice by making understanding among people, by learning more about different cultures, languages, and religions. What is discrimination? Discrimination is treating a person or particular group of people differently. It is when somebody is treated unfairly or differently. Discrimination can be done against somebody on the basis of race, sex, religion, age, and disability. It is an act of making unfavorable distinction. It can be justified or prejudicial. Let me tell you about the types of discrimination. Discrimination are 4 types: direct discrimination, indirect discrimination, harassment, and victimization. Direct discrimination is the simplest and the most common form of discrimination. It includes treating people unfairly on the basis of their age, gender, race, disability, religion, or belief. Indirect discrimination. This kind of discrimination occurs when there is an unreasonable rule or policy that is the same for everyone, but it has an unfair effect. It is an effect-based concept. Third is harassment. What is harassment? An unwanted offensive act with someone because of their age, disability, gender, race, sexual orientation, or religion is called harassment. Fourth is victimization. This is the unfavorable treatment one received without any wrongdoing. These are the types of discrimination. Let me tell you about stereotype. What is stereotype? It is a general belief about a particular category of people. When we tag people according to their clothes, language, looks, complexion, we create a stereotype. That's it. Rest will be continued in the next part. Thank you.